The thing about worship and worshiping through music, I have observed that singers now are going out of their way to copy other singers who have already become famous. Tunawaigizia mpaka sauti, jinsi ambavyo waliikunja. Kama alipaliwa na mate, tutapaliwa at the exact same point, ili tu sauti itokezee kama ya Paul Clement ama ya Joel Lwaga nini. Now this is something that the Lord said to me earlier yesterday. David the psalmist, he's known and he's popular for having written many of the psalms. He wrote Psalm 23. Zaburi ya 23 kila mtu anaijua. It's even the ringtone for some people. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures, and he leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. All of those things. I want you to understand this. When we first meet David, we meet him wakati wengine wanatafuta mfalme wa kuanoint, and he is being looked for. He is out in the field tending sheep. So David is not a stranger to tending sheep. When he speaks about shepherding, he speaks from experience. Dear worship leader, please bring your experiences into your singing. Do not borrow another person's experiences. No amount of theatrics, no amount of copying, sauti itokeze vile vile kama ya yule mtu, will make you a successful worship leader. What will do it? Bring your experience. David brought his experience. When he is going to fight Goliath, he tells the king, when I was tending my father's sheep, and a lion came and a bear came, I fought them with my bare hands, I beat them, and I know it is the Lord who helped me to do that. And so this Goliath, he will be just like those. So again, by the time akiandika the Lord is my shepherd, he is speaking things that are not just poetry. Okay, some of us are just poets. Unachukua neno ambalo linafanana na lingine, zina rhyme, unaziweka pamoja, unakuta ati hapo sasa umeimba nyimbo ya worship. Alafu unashangaa kwa nini hatusikilizi yako, tunasikiza ya yule mtu ambaye ameimba kitu that we can relate to. So again, bring your testimony, bring your experience. When David is singing, how many are they that trouble me? How many are they that rise up against me? Those things had happened to him. When you are singing, how many are they that trouble me, and you have never been troubled, though, haiwezi tokezea na conviction. So if you want to succeed as a singer, songwriter, musician, worship leader, and all of the things that we call ourselves, bring what God has done for you into the song and share that with us. We will listen and we will be convicted and we will be led in worship. Ni hayo tu.